Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program to find the smallest and largest character in a string using the min and max functions. So we are going to have an equivalent of numerical representation for each character. So each character has its numerical representation, and we learned that we can find it using the ORD function. Okay, so now we would like to enter one string and understand which character has the largest, let's say, numerical representation, and which character has the smallest numerical representation. Let me first run the code. It says enter a string to find its smallest and largest character. So I type down Reza, for example. It says smallest character is R and largest character is Z. Okay. So when I uncomment these parts, I am showing in the output the numerical representation of R, capital R, and small z. So when I run the code, I again type down Reza, and it says for R, the numerical representation is 82. However, for Z, it's 122. So the smallest character in the string Reza is R, is capital R, and the largest character is Z based on their numerical representation. Okay, but how do we find that? In order to find it, we are showing this message to the user, enter a string to find its smallest and largest character. Then whatever the user is going to enter, we are assigning it to the variable called text. And in order to find the smallest character, I use the min function, and in parentheses, I type down the name of my variable. In order to find the largest character, I use the max function. I type down the name of my variable, which is text. And then here I'm using the print function to show this message, smallest character and largest character. And then using the min function and max function. Just remember to put this comma in between the message that we would like to be shown in the output, so the smallest character, and when we are calling the variable. When we are having this program, it is going to basically help us to find the smallest and largest character in a string based on ASCII code. Thank you for watching.